Welcome to Linear Equations in Two Variables, Lecture 1. Lecture 1 is an introduction to linear equation in two variables. Now, let's first understand what is linear equation. Linear equation is an equation when plotted on a graph gives a straight line. इसका भी मतलब इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करने वाले पॉइंट्स जब हम ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करते हैं एंड आफ्टर जॉइनिंग दैट पॉइंट्स इफ वी गेट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन देन वो इक्वेशन को हम लीनियर इक्वेशन कहते हैं. Now let's understand some terms which will be helpful to understand the definition of linear equation in two variables. First we'll understand what is variable. Variable is a term which is not fixed. It changes depending on condition. इसका ही मतलब क्या? Variable एक ऐसा term है जिसकी value अलग अलग condition पे अलग अलग रह सकती है. We will understand this with an example. For example, x plus y is equal to 5. तो x एंड y के मल्टीपल वैल्यूज रह सकते हैं जो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं. सपोज मैंने लिया x इज इक्वल टू 1, देन माई y विल बी 4 क्योंकि 1 प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 5. देन x इज इक्वल टू 2, देन y विल बी इक्वल टू 3 क्योंकि 2 प्लस 3 5. x इज इक्वल टू 4 रहेगा तो y क्या रहेगा 1. सो जैसे मैं x का वैल्यू चेंज कर रही हूँ y का वैल्यू भी चेंज होते रहता है एंड वाइस वर्सा. सो हियर x एंड y आर वेरिएबल्स. और एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि वेरिएबल्स आर मोस्टली डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल लेटर्स. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड डिग्री ऑफ टर्म्स कंटेनिंग नो वेरिएबल, डिग्री ऑफ टर्म्स कंटेनिंग वन वेरिएबल एंड डिग्री ऑफ टर्म्स कंटेनिंग मोर देन वन वेरिएबल. सो द डिग्री ऑफ टर्म कंटेनिंग नो वेरिएबल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0, whereas degree of term containing one variable is equal to power of its variable and degree of term containing more than one variable is equal to sum of its power of variable. इसका ही मतलब कि जिसमें वेरिएबल नहीं होगा उसका डिग्री 0 रहेगा, जिसके इसमें एक वेरिएबल रहेगा उसका डिग्री विल बी इक्वल टू इट्स पावर. मतलब x रेस टू या y रेस टू जो भी रहेगा वो पावर रहेगा, उसे हम डिग्री कहेंगे. And if term contains more than one variable, then उसका degree will be sum of their powers. Let's try to understand this with an example. Suppose we have equation 2x plus 20 is equal to y square. Now we will find the degree of this equation term by term. Let's take this term 2x. In this you can see there is only one variable x. And x doesn't have any power, which means it has the power 1. So degree of 2x will be 1. Next 20. 20 does not have any variable. It is constant. So the degree of this term with no variable will be 0. Then we will find the degree of y square. As the power of y is 2, the degree of y square will be 2. Let's take another example. 3xy plus 2x cube y is equal to 50. In this, the degree of 3xy will be, it has two variables x and y. The power of x is 1, the power of y is 1. So the sum will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So degree of term 3xy will be 2. Let's move to next term. Next term is 2x cube y. In this we have two variables x and y. X has power 3, y does not have any power, means it has power 1, so 3 plus 1 will be 4. Degree of this term will be 4. Then next 50. 50 does not have any variable with it, so the degree of 50 is 0. In this way, we have to find the degree of terms containing variable. Let's move to definition of linear equation in two variables. An equation which contains two variables and degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. इसका ही मतलब there are two conditions for a equation to be linear equation in two variables. First, equation में हमेशा दो variables चाहिए ही. Equation must contain exact two variables, not less than 2, not more than 2. Second, degree of each term containing variable must be 1. वेरिएबल्स जहाँ जहाँ पे भी रहेंगे वहाँ पे उसका डिग्री, वो टर्म का डिग्री 1 रहना चाहिए. सो दिस आर दिस टू कंडीशंस टू बी सेटिस्फाइड बाय इक्वेशन फॉर इक्वेशन टू बी लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू Now let's move to general form of linear equation in two variables. General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x and y are two variables, whereas a, b, c are real numbers. Real numbers are any number from minus infinity to plus infinity. For example, -2, -3, 28, 100, 0.33, √2. These are the some examples of real number. You have to keep one more thing in mind, that a and b cannot be equal to 0 at same time. Means whatever the values are there with variables can't be 0 at same time. That is, if a is equal to 0, then b cannot be equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, then a cannot be equal to 0. Let's understand how to identify whether the equation is linear equation in two variables or not with some examples. Suppose we have equation 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. First step will be to check the number of variables present in the equation. In this equation we have two variables m and n. So according to condition, the first condition is the equation must contain exact two variables. So yes, this equation has exact two variables. Second, we have to check that the degree of each term containing variable is 1. So let's check the degree of each term. First we will consider the term 4m. In this there is only one variable and the power of m is 1. So degree of term 4m will be 1. Next, now we will find the degree of 3n. In 3n there is only one variable and the power of n is 1. So degree of 3n will be 1. We don't need to find the degree of 12 since it does not contain any variable. So both the conditions are satisfied. First, that the equation must contain exact two variables. Second, degree of each term containing variable is 1. And you have to check one more thing, that a and b are not equal to 0. So with m and n there is no 0, there is 4 and 3. So all the conditions are satisfied. So yes, this equation is a linear equation in two variables. Let's take another example. Suppose we have equation 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. First check whether we have two variables. So yes, we have two variables x and y. Second, find out the degree of each term containing variable. We will find out the degree of 3x square. Here the power of x is 2. So degree of this term will be 2. The power of y is 1. So degree of 7y will be 1. Since the degree of term containing x is not equal to 1, this is not a linear equation in two variables as it is not satisfying the second condition. Consider another equation 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. Our first step is to check whether we have two variables. So yes, we have two variables x and y. Now we will find out degree. 0.3x has power 1. So degree of this term will be 1. Then 0y power of y is 1. So degree of this term is also 1. So second condition is also satisfied, that both must have degree 1. Now you can see here the value with x is a is equal to 0.3 and b is equal to 0. I have told you a and b cannot be equal to 0 at same time. So if b is 0, here b is 0 and a should be not equal to 0. So here a is 0.3, which is not completely equal to 0. Hence third condition is also getting satisfied. So yes, this equation is a linear equation in two variables. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have equation 4xy minus 5y is equal to 8. Step 1, check whether we have two variables. So yes, we have two variables x and y. Now let's find degree of term containing variables. Suppose we find out the degree of 4xy. If variable is more than 1, then we find the degree by sum of the powers of their variable. Both have power 1, so sum will be 2. So degree of 4xy will be 2 and degree of 5y will be 1, as there is only one variable and power of y is 1. But for an equation to be linear equation in two variables, the degree of term containing variable must be 1. But here we are getting degree as 2. So this equation is not a linear equation in two variables. In this way, you find out whether the equation has linear equation in two variables or not. Thanks for watching this video. For more content and solution to the practice set, you can go to my website. The website link is given below in description box, and our next lecture will be on how to solve simultaneous equations.